Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your working status in Monday.com. So what you want to do is just like go left down corner to your profile, and here you have options: working status, do not disturb, on or off. Or you have like more here, and you can like on break, out of office, working outside, family time. So these are how we can do it, and this is how we can change the working status in Monday.com. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah, so again, you go to left down corner to your profile, and then just like click more here, and just to choose what you want to choose. So yeah. Goodbye.